My name is Dave Trumbo. I'm the head indoor women's volleyball coach and beach coach at Stevenson University. We've gone to the NCAA tournament 8 seasons in a row. We've won our conference championship 7 consecutive seasons. Both of those things lend themselves to how important the job and volleyball is at Stevenson University. I started to notice some discomfort in my hip about a year before I actually had the hip replacement. Well, when I'm a volleyball coach, I am really active. I stand up during matches. I'm one of the best encouragers and cheering on the sidelines. I'm very active. And in practice, I never sit down.
He likes to go in practice. He's always moving with us and showing us what we're supposed to be doing and when we're supposed to be doing it, which he wasn't really able to do before he had his hip surgery.
When I started getting on one knee, draping myself over the cart because my hip was hurting so bad, it just wasn't any fun. So, I needed to do something. When Dr. McKinstry said that I needed hip replacement, I was actually relieved because I knew I needed to have something done. My second reaction was, when in the world am I going to do this? Because I had to wait till after indoor season and before beach season, so it had to be in that segment. So right then and there, I had my calendar out wanting to plan the surgery. My surgery was in November 2017. When I woke up from the surgery, I was really in no pain. The nerve blocker was in effect, and I actually went home that day and was able to climb steps and get into the shower. 9 days after the surgery, I had a big recruit from Colorado, and it's the only time she could come. A lot of times, a recruit can make and break your season, and she was really a good player. So 9 days after surgery, it was snowing. My wife drove me in. I wasn't allowed to drive that time. I used my cane to get into my office and then was able to walk around our facility and show the recruit our facility without the cane. Well, about a month after surgery, I went on a cruise with my son and my wife. And the Dr. McKinstry said, no problem, just be careful. Didn't have a cane and was enjoyed, everything that I would have normally done on a cruise. Today, sometimes I forget which hip it is. I sleep fine, I'm active, I exercise, and I'm really happy with my progress. One of the things I can do now is I can stand up the entire game. And then when we have a game right after that, I can stand up again. I don't have to sit down. I don't have to sit down and practice. I don't have to take a knee. I can walk quickly to set things up. So those kind of things are not an issue when they were before. Now practice is fun because I don't have to worry about not being able to do something because it doesn't even enter my mind.
Since he's fully recovered from the surgery, he's back to his normal self on the sidelines, jumping around, pumping his fist anytime that there's a big play. It's like it's 7 years ago, back when I had first started coaching with him again.
Well, I'm really glad that I had the hip replacement. I would recommend that people do it when they're younger, so then my recovery time was so short that now I don't have to worry about the things that I worried about before. How was I going to get through a practice, or how I was going to get through 5 hours at camp? Those things are not an issue for me now. I'm not sure that the hip replacement made me a better coach, but I know it made me a happier coach because I had a lot more energy and was just excited about going to practice.